So this is a plane diagram. So this is XY line. So this is a vertical plane VP. So this is horizontal plane HP. Okay. So they will give question like this. A point P locating at a distance 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. So like this way they will give. Coming to the second one, point Q 25 mm above HP, 30 mm behind VP. So coming to the third, point R is located 35 mm. So coming to the third quadrant, so 35 mm below HP and 25 mm behind VP. So fourth, the point S is locating or situated at a point 40 mm below horizontal plane and 50 mm in front of VP. So like this way they will give. So coming to the next point, point 5, that is nothing but point T lies on both planes, lying on both planes. So like this way they will give questions. Okay, so like this way you will get questions. So whatever I am going to explain, this everything comes under assumption. No need to draw this scenario in the examination. So you have to draw only output. I am going to draw here. So this is the output I am going to draw. This is a X, Y line. So a point P, location is given 20 mm above HP, 30 mm in front of VP. 20 mm above HP, 30 mm in front of VP. That means on the XY line, somewhere you can take 20 mm above, mark one point. So 30 mm in front, this is in front 30 mm. So here we will get 1 point. Okay, by joining these 2 points, so you will get location of point capital P. Location of point capital P. So if you see from this direction, so front view, viewing from the front is nothing but front view. Viewing from the top is nothing but top view. So if you view from front, so P, you will get front view over here. So this is the P dash. Always dash indicates front view. So from the top view, so point top view you will get here only. That means here. So this is the top view. So this is the front view of a point capital P. So after this assumption, after this thing, so you have to draw answer. So whatever the image on VP is constant, that constant image you have to draw first. So what is a constant image here on VP? That means 20 mm P dash. 20 mm P dash. So first of all, on XY line, 20 mm above point, that is P dash. So here to here, what is the value? Dimension? (20 mm). So only point should be dark. Why? Because that is only output. Now if you tilt HP in clockwise direction like this, if you tilt like this, whatever the image on HP coming to downwards, that means this 30 we will get below the reference line XY line. So what is the value here? 30 mm, exactly below 30 mm, that is small p. So this is 30 mm. Okay, so this is the front view, this is a top view of a point P. So this is front view, so this is top view. So this is the vertical plane, so this is the HP after tilting. So this is the answer for first bit. A point P locating at 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Okay, so this is the first one. Coming to the second one, a point Q 25 mm above HP, 25 mm above HP and 30 mm behind VP, 25 mm above HP and 30 mm behind VP. So very simple. Above HP how much given? 25 mm. 25 mm. That's why at somewhere mm here. Next 35 mm behind. This is behind 30 mm. So here we will get 1 point. So join vertical, horizontal. So these two lines coincide here. This is the point Q, capital Q. So that is a point capital Q. Always observe the object from this direction. Okay. So front view, that means this front view we will get here only, that is Q dash. So top view we will get here only, that is small q. So image on VP is constant. Coming to the answer, image on VP is constant. What is the image on VP here? 25 mm q dash. So first of all draw. This is a q dash. So here to here the value is 25 mm. Next, after tilting, so if you tilt this horizontal plane in with clockwise direction, this 30 mm also merge into the 25 mm. Okay, so these two are lies in a same straight line. So already 25 is there, more 5 mm. So why? Because this is the 30 mm. So this is the top view Q. This is 30 mm. Dash indicates front view. So this is the front view. So this is the top view. So what is the condition we have? Where if it is first angle projection means front view we will get above, top view we will get below. So that means in the first condition front view we got above, top view we got below. So if it is second angle projection means both front view and top view we have to get above the reference line only. So that condition also satisfied here. So this is the second one. So this is the first one answer. Okay, coming to the third one. A point R 35 mm below HP and 25 mm behind VP. 35 mm below HP and 25 mm behind VP. Okay. So same thing you have to assume like this. 35 mm below, 35 mm below 1 point and 25 mm behind 25 somewhere. Okay, so if you take vertical and horizontal, so these two lines are coincide here. This is the point R, capital R. So if you see from this direction, front view we will get here only, that is R dash. So from the top view we will get here, this is small r. Okay, so after tilting, so this 25 mm coming upwards. Initially what we have to do, whatever the image on VP is constant, right? So that constant image we have to draw first. What is the constant image here? From reference line to 35 mm below, that is R dash. Point should be dark, that is R dash, that is nothing but front view. After that, so always we have to tilt HP clockwise direction. So this 25 coming upwards. Point should be dark. This is 25 mm. So this is what is the point? It is small r, that is nothing but top view. Okay, so this is the top view, this is the front view. So what is the condition for the third angle projection? Top view we will get above the reference line, front view we will get below the reference line. So same condition satisfied here. So this is the answer for the third bit. Okay, coming to the fourth, a point S 40 mm below HP and 50 mm in front of VP. 40 mm below HP and 50 mm in front of VP. So if you assume that orientation 40 mm below HP, this is the 40 mm, we will get 1 point below HP. Next 50 mm in front, 50 mm in front, we will get 1 point. By joining vertical and horizontal, we will get point, that is S, capital S. Okay, so if you see from the front, okay, this is the front view, S dash. So this is the location of the top view, small s. So image on VP is constant. So what is the constant image in this case? XY line, below that, so 40 mm distance, S dash, 40 mm distance, S dash. So this is 40 mm. So dash indicates front view. Next we have to tilt HP like this. So this 50 mm again coming downwards, okay, lies in a same straight line. So already 40 is there. Next 10 mm, that is small s. So this is 50 mm only. Okay, so this is the top view. So what is the condition? Whereas in the fourth angle projection, both front view and top view we have to get in a below the reference line. That's why this condition also satisfied. Okay, so last point, the point T lies on both planes means always you have to assume point on XY line only. That is only a front view. For example, what is the point T? So that is only front view, that is only top view. Okay, so that is the only front view, that is only top view. So that is the answer for fifth point. That means point T lies on both planes. So this is the information regarding projections of points. Thank you for watching.